Welcome to Varun Taki channel. Like, share and subscribe. Today we will discuss Machine Learning Session 19. Classification versus Regression. Classification. In classification, the goal is to predict the categorical class label of new instances based on the past observations. The output variable in classification is discrete or categorical, such as spam or not spam, dog, cat, or horse. Algorithms used for classification include logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, and the neural networks, which we already discussed in the previous videos. Whereas regression, the goal is to predict continuous numerical values based on input features. The output variable in regression is a real or continuous value, such as predicting house prices, stock prices, temperature, or sales revenue. Algorithms used for regression include linear regression, polynomial regression, decision trees, random forests, support vector regression, and various types of neural networks. Now we will see the key differences between classification and regression. The first one is output type. Classification predicts discrete class labels, whereas regression predicts continuous numerical values. The second one is evaluation. In classification, evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC, AUC, etc. In regression, evaluation metrics include mean squared error MSE, mean absolute error MAE, R squared coefficient of determination. The third one is loss functions. Classification typically uses cross entropy loss, hinge loss, or log loss, whereas regression typically uses mean squared error loss or mean absolute error loss. The next one is model interpretation. In classification, the model output can be interpreted as the probability of belonging to each class, and decision boundaries can be visualized. In regression, the model output directly corresponds to the predicted value, and relationships between input and output variables can be visualized using scatter plots or regression plots. The last one is application. Classification is commonly used in tasks such as spam detection, sentiment analysis, image classification, and medical diagnosis, whereas regression is commonly used in tasks such as predicting the house prices, sales forecasting, demand prediction, and stock price prediction. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.